T-B-I.
Do-we-da-da, 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 ba-da-da-da, 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 ba-da-da-da.
I'm gonna raise a fuss, I'm gonna raise a holler.
Ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da,
Been a working all summer just to try to earn a dollar.
ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da. Every time I call my baby, you're trying to get a taste.
Stop off, say.
Son, you gotta work late.
Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do.
Cause there ain't no cure for the summertime.
Do-we-da-da, 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 ba-da-da-da, 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 ba-da-da-da,
Well, my mama, papa told me, son, you gotta make some money.
ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da,
If you wanna use the car to go riding next Sunday.
ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da.
Well, I didn't go to work, told the boss I was sick.
You can't use the car because you didn't work a lick.
Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do.
Cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
Do-we-da-da, do-we-da-da, do-we-da-da.
Ba-da-da-da, 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 ba-da-da-da,
I'm gonna take 2 weeks, I'm gonna have a fine vacation.
ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da,
I'm gonna take my problem to the United Nations.
ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da.
Well, I called my congressman and he said, quote,
I'd like to help you, son, but you're too young to vote.
sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
Ba-da-da-da, 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 ba-da-da-da.
Hello everybody, and a very warm welcome to the Piccotts Platinum Jubilee Garden Party. It's been a fantastic success, and thanks for everybody who's come along. I've got a few thank yous to do before we get on to the cake competition. I'd particularly like to thank Holly here, who's been the mastermind behind the whole thing, and I'd like to present her, if I'm in the photo here. Where's my photographer? Holly, that's for you. Thank you very much indeed. You've done a wonderful job with Carly and all the others, Sue,
Yes,
and
Sue,
the rest of the
yes,
team here.
and
We've
Heather
been-
and
Heather
Yvonne.
and Gone
And Yvonne, yes. Thank you,
Yvonne.
team. Thank you, everybody.
We're also delighted to welcome Mary here at the front of the queue. Nice to see you, Mary. Writing your letters to the Daily Telegraph as usual. And so now we move on to the cake competition, where we have a very VIP guest, Lady Val, of number 90. What are you, Val? You'll tell them. I'll hand over. Val's going to give you the result of the cake competition.
Hello everybody, my name's Val and I'm 96, which is not my age, it's where I live. All I can say about the cakes is that I have been nobbled. A lot of people have given me a lot of champagne, but I have been trying to be honest, and the cakes are frankly out of this world. They should never be eaten, they should be framed, because they are simply absolutely extraordinary. So I've chosen as the champion bake-off this one. Who is the maker of this cake? It's no fix. It's cake. And although she's my next door neighbor, it was not a fix because I didn't know who made each cake. So Kate, Kate the cake maker. Well done, well done. And the champagne worked.
Oh boy, make a big noise. Playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place. Singing, we will rock you, oh. We will rock you, rock you.
Well, we've all had a wonderful time, and we were graced in the end with the most beautiful weather, and everybody's done lovely flowers and cakes and brought their own food, and it's been, I think, really special, and so much so we may do it again. Hip hip
Oh, I
hooray.
hope so.
Yeah.
And I think I've had so many people say to me what a fabulous afternoon they've had. So,
Yeah, and lots of people have met who've never met before. So hopefully, we'll now forge new relationships, which is what it's all about.
Mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place. Singing, we will rock you. Rock you. We will rock you. Rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, walking in the street. Someday you got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Waving your banner all over the place. Singing, we will rock you. Rock you. Oh, we will rock you. I rock you. Oh, rock you. We will rock you. We will rock you. You're a poor man. We will rock you. Someday. Rock you. We will rock you. Somebody better put you back in your place. Singing, we will rock you. Rock you. Oh, we will rock you. Rock you. Oh, we will rock you. Rock you. Rock you. Rock you.